Hi guys, we're taking a look at my new Luxsego high pressure shower head. So this is a awesome way to update your shower if you're finding it doesn't have a high enough water pressure, or if you just want to update the look in your home a little bit. So this comes with all the parts needed. It's super easy to set up. This is just a quick look at how it looks unassembled. So you can see that hose will come with it, the shower head, and a bracket to hold it, and then a little bit of tape and a little extra hose piece. So take a look. That's how it looks all assembled, and I'm going to go through kind of step by step so you can just see how many steps it took. It's really fast and easy. So I do love that you can take it off just by simply unscrewing it. You're not going to need any extra tools that don't come with it. So even if you are not handy by any means, super easy. So you do want to tape it up so you don't end up with any water leakage. So that's what we've done there. And then you just screw in the bracket piece here. And then that lower connected hose. And you're pretty much good to go. It's very quick and easy. I've got the black. It also comes in a chrome color, if that's more your vibe. 5 spray modes too, so it you can select exactly how much pressure you want. And yeah, high quality material. Definitely recommend it.